welcome to Super Brain. Today's contestant is Brian Banter from Wales. Brian, how are you doing? That's great. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Brian.
Well, I once played guitar for a band who didn't make it.
Marvellous! And how is your dog?
He was the drummer.
Great! Your chosen specialist subject is mobile phone ringtones. Let's have 60 seconds on the clock. And your first question is, what mobile phone ringtone is this? Diddly-dee, diddly-dee, diddly-dee-dee.
Nokia.
Correct answer. Next question. What mobile phone ringtone is this? Da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da.
Sony Ericsson.
Correct answer. Next question. What mobile phone ringtone is this? Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? I'm going to have to hurry you, Brian. Time's up. The correct answer was my phone.